In other news, the health department assured the government that the Mpox situation in the country has been contained. They also maintained their stance of not implementing a lockdown to prevent the spread of the disease. Mobile journalist Denise Valdesancho with that report.
Plans to contain and suppress the monkeypox disease, also known as the Mpox, were discussed yesterday during a joint meeting of the Senate Committees on Health and Demography and the Committee on Finance. Department of Health spokesperson and Assistant Secretary Albert Domingo provided updates to the public on the progress of government plans regarding Mpox. The spokesperson assured the public that there is no need to worry since the situation is contained. It was 2022 when the Philippines had its first case of the disease.
Ang kumalat po niyan at nakikita natin na kumakalat pa rin sa Pilipinas ay yung mild form na Clade 2.
As of September 9 this year, a total of 14 cases were now identified. Alarmed by the possible spread of the new virus strain Clade 1b, the WHO declared a public health emergency of international concern last August 18. This urged the Department of Health to speed up Mpox testing.
Kung dati, 2 taon, siyam lang yung nakita natin. Ngayon, 2 linggo or 3 linggo, 14 kagad yung nakita. Dapat ho ba matakot? Hindi po. Kasi ibig sabihin, mabilis nating nakikita ang mga kaso para maalagaan sila.
All 14 identified Mpox cases are still active on home isolation.
Lahat po sila nasa bahay nagpapagaling. Hindi ho natin re-require ang pagka-ospital sa Mpox. Hindi sila nalalagutan ng hininga, hindi sila kailangan ng ICU, hindi sila pinag-face shield, hindi sila nire-require ng face mask. Basta ho naka-home isolation sa bahay. Next.
Assistant Secretary Domingo also discussed the actions taken by the department. This includes the Mpox Task Force headed by the Secretary of Health to lead the overall national response for the disease. He also reminded the public regarding lockdown measures.
Hindi ho nangangahulugan na pag marinig natin ang katagang PDITR ay iisipin natin magla-lockdown na tayo. Para nagpa-flashback sa atin yung 2020, hindi po mangyayari yon sa nangyayari ngayon sa Mpox dahil iba, nakikita natin sa balat ang sintomas, hindi siya kumakalat sa hangin.
Several guidelines and issued policies as well as the National Action Plan were mentioned. In the National Action Plan, possible scenarios were discussed should the Mpox situation be not contained and the strategies to combat these. Mobile Journal Denise Valdesancho. We are One News.